Bakit?
Oh, may appointment ako. Ito, lumaking na. Ha?
Kakain ako. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Yes.
May sinigang kayo?
Sinigang babi.
Ako ito na lang.
Okay.
Hindi ko nadala yung ko. Selfie stick ko.
Sige, focus mo.
Ha?
Diba?
Ganda mo dito, oh. Ang ganda mo rito, oh.
Ano sinigang na babi?
Oo, kakain ako dito.
Okay. Ano yung babi?
All the time. Yes, enemy.
Style mo talaga.
Nagmamadali pa ito kanina. Sabi ko.
You know, when someone does that for me, I think he's hating me.
Like
I swear, because I do something, don't touch my... This is my job.
My artwork eh.
You are the one telling her to do it, but I see she's the one who want to broke my work. Because, Angel, yeah, 2 hours, it's gone. My 2 hours gone by jelly
Now
shopping.
it's my fault, eh?
Totoo pala to. Yung sinabi mo.
First, you broke the shape. Second, I make shape from inside and outside to look natural. You broke it. The color, it's look waves.
Anong
Give me 2 hours, I try to do it natural.
Yan na pinagupit mo.
Don't listen to her next time. Next time.
pinaglalaban dito?
Just the other way to your hand.
Gusto niya i-appreciate mo yung work niya.
Na-appreciate ko man yung
I make something to my eyes. I'm not allowed to hear to enter this one in my eyes.
Kahit ako, pag ng trabaho ko, tapos ginawa ng iba, binago, masama sa loob
In the
yun.
morning. Why?
Oy, alam na palang sabihin yan. Bakit yung nag-ano dito? O, dapat pala.
I stayed for 2 hours more. This
Yung
we
ano?
go 9 to home.
Yung ano, bebe? Yung ano?
Hindi mo yung nag-ano dito noon?
Ayop talaga.
Ayop talaga.
Again.
Ayop talaga, butan ina.
Ayop ang putang.
Natumi, eh?
You and her, garbing nuts.
Wala. You know that word?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who teach you?
The Marinhel. Maria and
Maria?
Mariel.
Mariel?
Ate Nani,
Nani, Gina also.
Gina, garamping nga.
Mga Ilocana. All of them Ilocana.
Bisaya, hindi niya alam sabihin.
Bisaya, you don't know? Yawa lang?
Yawa.
Ambot.
Leche ka.
Ambot.
But.
What sa imong lubot?
Yesterday sa mga to, leche ka. What is leche? Wala kang pasok?
Wala na, walas na ako.
Long time. Long time. Long time.
Nagbibideo ko si ano.
I-release niya yan yung pagtatalo natin doon.
Hindi, sa YouTube to.
Ay, sorry. Okay.